In this video, I will show you how to connect Heyday with Facebook. Grab your phone or tablet and open the Heyday app. Look for the three-line menu icon and tap on it. The menu will pop up and tap on Settings to access your game settings. Previously, there was an option to connect your Heyday account with Facebook. However, due to issues between Heyday and Facebook, this option has been removed. Since Facebook connection is no longer available, the only way to link your account is through Google Play or Supercell ID. If you want to save your progress, make sure to connect to Google Play or Supercell ID in your settings. Supercell might bring back Facebook connection or introduce a new way to link accounts in the future. Keep an eye on official Heyday updates to stay informed. That's it for today's guide. While connecting Heyday with Facebook isn't possible right now, I hope this cleared up any confusion. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.